You're not distracted. You're being consumed. There's a moment when distraction turns into consumption. No alert, no warning. And once that line is crossed, your life starts running in the background. You open your phone without thinking, close it, open it again, and somehow the day ends without anything actually happening. No big mistake, no crash, just this quiet feeling like your life is slipping, but you can't point to where. If that sounds familiar, this video is for you, because this isn't distraction. Here's the first thing that actually works. Step 1. Stop trying to focus. Instead, change what reaches you first. Tomorrow morning, don't touch your phone for the first 30 minutes. Not to be productive, not to meditate, just nothing. No input. It sounds small, almost useless. Most people try this once, do it wrong, and quit. But if you do it properly, something strange happens. I'll explain why in a second. Why this works. Here's what no one tells you. You're not bad at focusing. Your brain is just overloaded before the day even starts. The first thing you consume sets the baseline for your attention. Notifications don't distract you, they claim you. So the rest of the day, your mind keeps looking for that same hit. That's why focus hacks fail. They treat attention like a muscle. But attention isn't a muscle, it's a direction. And right now, your direction isn't yours. That's what consumption really is. Step 2. Stop escaping boredom. The moment you feel bored, don't fix it. No scrolling, no music, no background noise. Just sit in it for 2 minutes. It feels uncomfortable, almost itchy. That's not a problem. That's the reset. You're not addicted to content. You're addicted to relief, and boredom is where your brain relearns how to rest without being fed. This isn't discipline, it's relief. Here's the trap most people miss. Consumption doesn't feel like addiction. It feels like normal life. Just checking, just a minute. I deserve a break. And slowly, your default state becomes reaction. You don't choose what to think about. It chooses you. That's why these small solutions matter. Because once consumption becomes normal, you don't feel trapped. You feel numb. And numbness is harder to escape than pain. The third step is the simplest and the most powerful. Step 3. Protect one daily block of useless time. 20 minutes. No goals, no learning, no improvement. Just sitting, walking, staring. Your brain hates this at first, then it slows down. And when your brain slows down, your attention comes back online. Not because you forced it, because it finally has space. That's how you stop being consumed. Not by adding more control, but by removing noise. Here's the real shift. Your problem was never focus. It was never discipline. It's that your attention was quietly rented out without you noticing. And awareness doesn't fix everything, but it gives you something better than motivation. Choice. And choice is where your life starts feeling like yours again.